All right, hey everybody, welcome back to the Wider channel. It's been a long little hiatus for the winter. We've tried to get some content out there, but there's really not been any opportunity to make anything meaningful with the amount of cold and snow that we've had in Michigan. It's kind of been one that harkens back to years ago with the amount of snow that we got this year. I don't think it's been in recent years. I don't remember having that much snow.
Definitely didn't have it last year.
That's for sure. We got to ride the snowmobiles once last year, and that was our first time riding them since we bought the upgraded snowmobiles the year before, the end of that season. Rode them once last year and been able to take them up a couple times this year. Mine in particular, the second time taking it out since I bought it, I blew it up. So in typical Wider channel fashion, took the engine out of it, found that the crank bearings were not they didn't have any grease in them, so the crank's a little out of touch with reality. It is not trued. It is no longer trued. So we're going to send that out for rebuild, and hopefully I'll get to ride that again next year. Sharon got to use hers quite a bit. It was kind of nice. And the kids got to ride the smaller ones. So it's been kind of a snowmobile year. We thought about making some snowmobile videos for the Wider channel, and said, you know, we're just going to stick with what we know here works for the Wider formula, and wait it out. And here we are. Pulled them out of the garage, let them stretch their legs a little bit. We actually are on our way back home from Sharon getting her three-wheel endorsement. So congratulations to Sharon on passing the motorcycle skills test for three-wheel.
Thank you.
What? It's a super nice day. We have been working on some things over the winter, though, that are for the Wider channel. We did over the winter start working on the Wider channel website. Call it the Spyder Web, y-der.com. I'll put the link in the description for it. At wider.com, you can find things like all of the Amazon links that have traditionally been in the descriptions of the videos. Able to put them on that site and put pictures on them so you can see what it is we're talking about before you even click on the link. Again, those are affiliate links. They don't cost you any more, but they actually help the channel a little bit. Amazon gives us a kickback for showing you what is cool. Kind of nice little, neat little thing. How are you enjoying that backrest?
I like it.
Got those backrests on both of these from Pierre at KNAMSpiderAccessories.com. Haven't really been on any journeys with them, so it's nice to finally get that going. And I'm telling you, this backrest on this one is outstanding. So the other addition that goes with the wider.com website is the addition of merch. As you see, I'm wearing the wonderful Wider shirt. This is our sweatshirt. Got mugs and all kinds of other cool little accessories. And the introduction of the new Wider slogan. We got some shirts up there to check out.
And why?
Oh, funny you should ask, dear. The wind is coming out of the south over here, so crazy. I think we're going to stick with about 55, and it's not going to make everybody happy behind us, but these fields are just crazy with the wind. So, owning your adventure kind of goes back to Sharon and I. Since we've been together, we've kind of taken on the whole life is an adventure thing, and it's kind of the way of life that we live, is looking at things that are even mundane, like a trip to Midland, a half-hour trip to go do this. It's an adventure. Everything that we do together, we try to make an adventure out of it. And yes, it's riding your ride, but owning that adventure. So there, is that a good enough explanation, dear?
Yes. I thought it needed an explanation than just saying,
Yeah, this is a lot of wind. Went from really cold to really hot, and there's a really strong wind out of the south, which is doing really well for making it nice and warm out here, but we went from freezing temperatures with a lot of snow to all of a sudden, hey, it's 70 degrees.
I think the worst part is that, like, hits your helmet and feels like it's like, yeah.
That is a lot of wind. That's crazy.
I know that was a distraction, but sorry.
Oh yeah, that's
This is definitely better than feeling like it was blowing me to the side.
this feels like it's gonna lift my helmet right off my head. At least you got the windshield to block a lot of that.
Yeah.
This is where having a windshield is definitely beneficial. You know, since taking the windshield off of this one, I still think that I prefer it without. This is the only scenario that I would actually like one, I think. So what an adventure today. You got to get that cycle endorsement, three-wheel endorsement taken care of with only, like, what, 3 days or 4 days to spare?
Yeah, we may have cut that one close.
180 days on the clock from when you start that program to do your skills test, and Sharon got it done just in time. Big shout out to the folks that got us in very last minute. They called yesterday and they got us in today. I believe the company is called BDL. I'll have to correct myself here if I'm wrong. And we'll put a link to them in the description for those of you in Michigan that are looking to have a motorcycle endorsement or a three-wheel endorsement, or I believe they do CDLs and standard driver's license. So they do it all. And they're all over the place. They have testing places throughout Michigan, throughout Lower Michigan anyway. Not going to speak for the UP. But they were very friendly, very nicely got us in quickly so we could get this done. put a nail in that one. So I don't know, what else, what other kind of fun have we been up to? We got robotics back in full swing, and basketball. Yeah.
Yeah, just our kids keep us busy.
Yes, they do.
Between work and kids and
Right? We've both,
having our adventures.
we've both taken on different positions with the companies we work for.
Yeah.
Both of those definitely keep us busy.
We both like to challenge ourselves and always move forward.
Yep.
Feel like Mother Nature's up today.
Mother Nature's done what?
Slapped me upside the head several times today.
Oh, yeah.
Big one, dish.
So one other thing to mention with the addition of the Spyder Web wider website, we also have a Spyder Web Facebook page. On the Spyder Web Facebook page, you'll find a bunch of spider loving folks. We started discussing a few things and posting pictures of our spiders. And we're pretty tight on not allowing people in that aren't real people. So we don't have crazy advertisements for clicking on this page to go do that. There's other YouTubers that are on the Facebook page as well that, you know, they'll put up their channels so you can see the other YouTubers, and it's a good spot to discuss stuff and just check out cool spider stuff. So a link to that and all the other things we've talked about is in the description. Oh, well, see, I'm kind of rusty here. I haven't done one of these videos in long enough that I forgot to mention that we went over our 1,000 subscriber mark. That was a huge milestone. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. If you haven't already, there's the wonderful subscribe button. Helps out the channel quite a bit. And of course, the thumbs up. We always appreciate those. That's all we really have for today's video. A nice short one. Just an update on what we've been doing. So until the next one, hope everybody is doing well. Remember to ride your ride and own your adventure. And hopefully we will see you on the next one.